Hi guys, today I want to show you this Helix I have built last summer, actually late summer. Now it's January, and it took me about 3 weeks to do all the work here. This was kind of waste of space, and I decided to build the Helix and connect the first level on the top to the center level, and then build a third level or the bottom level, which is yard down there. So what I've done, it's actually 3 levels, as you can see. I have used this cardboards from Home Depot. This is for sheetrock, they use it for sheetrocking, and I also use this for cleaning the track. It's a very good method to clean the track. So I've hot glued this on the sides in case the cars or the locomotive gets derailed, they don't fall and break. So came out pretty good. So as you can see, that's the top track coming from the top level and goes all the way back there to the center level, and from back there and also here, those 2 tracks here come to the center, and this one, the double here, comes and goes down to the Helix, and from back there goes to the yard, comes out right here. Oops. Sorry, push the zoom. So I have used the servos for these 2 switches back here because they're hard to reach. And this is the controller here. It's Tam Valley Depot singlet. And the rest of the switches I'm using manual switches. So because it's hard to wire, it's about 10 inches high. It's hard to get under and do the wiring. Well, this yard, it's about 12 feet long, and the track back there goes all the way here, and from back there turns and drops about 4 inches to this yard here, and this yard, it's even lower. It's about 6 inches tall. So as you can see, I have mounted the servos on the top because it's hard to wire from underneath or work underneath at all. So again, here I have done manual switches, and this one, it's a little bit longer and comes around here, goes back there. In case in the future I want to extend the yard, I can go on this side. Alright, so I haven't used the yard yet, so I have to do some feeders for the tracks, for the power. It's DCC, and it's winter time, it's cold. I can't work too much here, it's kind of cold. I have to heat it up. So this is the center level. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress, and I'm gonna make a video of the top level. It's It's almost done, not quite yet, but most of the work is done. And these are the wiring. So, oh, one more thing, I can take this section out. I've made it so I can take this section out, and in case I have to do some work there, I can get in there and do some work. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and until next video, thanks for watching.